Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Land Rover Discovery. So any screen here, you've got phone there. If we click on phone. No phone connected. Connect to device now. Yes and no. Well, you don't really want to connect to device, so your brain would tell you to click no, but you don't. You click yes. So click yes. And then you get this next menu up. Search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what we want. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that. And then you've got this next menu, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. We want to delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Yes. That's it gone.